Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We are here. We are ready to go. It's actually 36 degrees outside, cloudy right now. Not looking too good. What is looking good? Dark Bro, first in the chat. Dark Bro, F-I-R-S-T, first in the chat. Dark Bro, dark, outdoor, dark. Genji, good afternoon, Genji. Outdoor, Dark Bro, Moji. We got Dark Bro, outdoor, Dark Bro, Moji. Dark Bro, Kenneth. What's going on, Kenneth? We got Dark Bro, outdoor, no toast, Dark Bro, Moji. Johnny Quest, no toast, Dark Bro, Giovanni, Gorilla. All of you guys, glad to have you in here right now. Let's make that just slightly smaller. Perfect. That looks good right there. Let's jump into the market and see what's happening so far today. That's not the market. That's the market. AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen finishing at, where was it? 468. All-time lows on AMC. All-time lows on AMC here. Absolutely wild, man. 2 years ago, I never would have expected AMC to be down at 40 cents a share. But that's the equivalent of where it's at right now, 40 cents a share. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 10.14. We've got GameStop sitting at 15.26. We got Bitcoin sitting at $46,413. 46,000 is still strong. Guys, it's not the 49 that it was testing this morning, but 46 is still very strong, and it is still following this ascending trend line beautifully. Nothing to worry about whatsoever at these current prices. NASDAQ finishing the day. Dude, wasn't the NASDAQ down? Or where? What happened to the NASDAQ today, man? What wild volatility. The NASDAQ was down pretty big earlier, 14.8, and jumped all the way back up to 14.970. Wow. Not a bad move at all. Very, very volatile, though. NASDAQ having a big swing towards the end of the day. Dogecoin sitting at 8.4 cents. Ethereum sitting at 26.06. Shiba Inu coin, 10.14. You got Bitcoin sitting at $46,358. The SPY, 476. QQQ, 409.35. Mullen Auto, 12.35. Coming down pretty heavy, 10+% today. And is that an all-time? No, it's not an all-time low. It bounced up after the split here. Hold on. This graph's wild. It bounced up a little bit after this 1 for 100. Yeah, 1 for 100 reverse split. And if it breaks this line, unfortunately, it's going to have no more support until it comes back down to the $9, potentially $6 mark. So watch out for that, guys. But Mullen Auto, not looking good today. Sundial sitting at $1.47. Netflix, $4.92. Netflix, that was decent, right? Yeah, 2.91% gain there. Highcroft Mining, $2.40. MPW, still sitting around $3.50. Tesla, $2.27, down almost 3% on the day today. Amazon bouncing back up to 155.18. Apple bouncing back up to close 0.32% lower at $185.59. We are going to watch Bitcoin. Bitcoin throwing a couple purple lines on the screen, guys, so we're going to make sure that we know what's going on there. I got to pull up Streamlabs. Streamlabs going right here. Clibro, probably having a snowstorm too. No. I'm going back and forth in between the lives to help my brother out on his new house. So I cut it way too close, man. I don't know if you guys have ever taken those strength finder tests, man, but I got Maximizer and Achiever, and both those are in my top 5. And I cannot, like, if for example, I was painting a wall this afternoon, and I cannot leave in the middle, like, of just half a wall. I've gotta get it done. So it's just like, it's, you know, I can't start watching a movie and then go to sleep in the middle of a movie. It bothers me so bad to start something like that and not finish it. So I always cut it way too close, man. I'm like, oh yeah, I got an extra 15 minutes. That wall's not gonna take 15. And then all of a sudden I'm like, oh crap, dude. And I'm running and trying to get it done as fast as possible. And that puts me back here at the house at like 3:58. So I schedule a live and try to get on as soon as I can. But yeah, that's, and then next week he's taking off work, and I might not do the second stream next week. We might try to get as much done as possible so that him and his family can get moved in there. So afternoon live stream on standby next week. We'll go day by day to see what he's got going on and what we do there. I hope he was late because of the post office. Moji, you're a very hopeful man. You're a very hopeful man, Moji. I'm going to try my best to, post office should either be tomorrow or Saturday morning. But yeah, I need to get that done too. Time to sell Bitcoin ETF. Giovanni, let's pull it up. So I should buy AMC. Notos. Let me put it this way. Now would be a great price for AMC if Adam Aaron was not involved. Okay, I truly believe Adam Aaron is going to just continue to brutalize retail investors. If Adam Aaron was not involved, I'd say yes, go for it. But as long as Adam Aaron's involved, I'd say no. Clay, you missed out on a Celestia at 11:50 a few days ago. Giovanni, hey, thanks for reminding me, man. Thanks for reminding me. Anybody got their block button ready for Giovanni when he reminds me that I missed out on some serious gains and a coin that I would like to hold for a very long time? Giovanni, you know I'm kidding, man. Told a guy that drives a new 911 Turbo about 8 Honorarium today. Told him to keep it mellow if he's interested. Yes, tell him to keep it down to like the $10, $15 range. He comes in there with 10 grand or whatever. He buys up the rest of the supply. Dark bro! Pfft. Organic engagement, man. The heck does that even mean? I got some organic engagement for you. I don't know what the other one is. It's just a little square. Dark bro! Thank you very much for the King Turkey. That's for Moji. Moji, that King Turkey was for you, man. Directly from Dark Bro. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the King. I don't know what the other emoji was, though. It didn't come through. If you sent 3 emojis there, just came with a little square, and then the King Turkey. Dark Bro, nonetheless, thank you very much for that super chat. I know a bunch of heavy hitters, but I'd be worried about them entering. Yeah, we don't need any traders entering just yet. And honestly, if the heavy hitters come in, I mean, there's not that much of the supply left. But, yeah, you got to worry about these guys trading, dude. Honorarium has honestly had such a nice, just steady trend line. It's crazy. Bitcoin ETF be available on major exchanges. Yes. JJ, yes. Emma D, thank you very much for the super chat. Emma D loves the King Monkey. Thank you very much for King Monkey eating a banana, Emma D. Hey there, bro fam. What's going on, Emma D? I like it. She's in here more often. Emma D, you were MIA for a while, but you're still in here now, and it's like you never left. I love it. What am I watching? Shiba Fishing. This is a very interesting live stream. It is unlike the rest of the live streams you probably watch. We don't sit here in silence and just look at graphs. We have a lot of fun. We answer a lot of questions. We send a lot of super chats, and that adds to the fun. So I don't really know how to describe it, man. You're just watching the live stream. Let's put it that way. Listening while I get ready for work. Kai, good deal, man. Good. Wouldn't have you getting ready for work any other way. What's Kai doing, man? What does he have to do to get ready for work? Just like put his shoes on? Walk out the door? I don't even know what this means anymore. How do we get ready? Have that King Turkey fly me that trophy. Oh, wait. Now the King Turkey could probably fly you a trophy faster than I could get it there. But, hey there, fam bam. Hey there, Emma D. Pendle is still tearing it up. I remember when I bought it for... I have not looked at Pendle at all, Giovanni. I remember when you bought it at 4 cents as well. Let's see what you got it at now and whether you made a bonehead... No, you didn't make a bonehead move regardless, dude. I don't even want to joke about that. Even if it's at $4 right now, you did very, very good selling Pendle and taking a profit. So, let's see where Pendle be. Pendle is doing very well, man. Very, very well. A 7-day chart even looks phenomenal right there. The monthly chart, wow, this is kind of where it was hanging out, like after you sold anyway, right? Jeez, dude, look at this year, man. Wow. And then breaking that resistance right there and just ripping over the last, like, week. That is nuts to see that rip from 120 to 190. Yeah, Pendle does look very good, dude, but you still did amazing making that return in Pendle. And you never know, dude. You never know if something's gonna fall down, if it's gonna go up, and you guaranteed yourself some money. So you absolutely tore that trade up. You cannot kick yourself for not still being in it. Would have made so much money if I would have kept Pendle. Yeah, Giovanni. The thing is, though, you don't know if it would have dropped back down to the 4 cents, and you would have lost so much money. That's the thing. You guaranteed yourself a lot of money, and I say that's an absolute win. They won't let me come to work without pants. Why? Dude, look, I've got paint in my hair. Man, I'm actually gonna have to take a shower. Kai, don't you drive a truck, man? You don't even have to get out of the truck. Can't you just, like, keep driving pantsless and be fine? Plus weirdos in the oil. Yeah, all right. Now it makes sense. We got the weirdos in the oil field that won't let you go to work with no pants on. Now I get it. Kai, if pants are mandatory, time for a new job. It's very strange, but the rest of the bros agree with me on this one. You guys never know if I'm wearing pants or not either, so yeah. I don't know which jobs actually do require pants. Now that I come to think of it. Interesting. I don't know if your job requires pants or not. Let's see. Emoji. It's when I go to the grocery store or something. Come on now, Kai. Work should always be pants option. Yes, Emma D understands as well. Wish I didn't have to get out of the truck. Ah, darn it, dude. What do you got to do? Get out of the truck and, like, hook the, what do you drive for, like a fracking company? You got to get out of the truck and hook the hose up and dump the water and all that stuff, or you guys got something else going on? We know. PJ onesies. I'm just deleting that live stream from yesterday. I'm going to go in, I'm going to delete it, and yeah, you guys are just never going to know that I was actually wearing a sweater yesterday and not pajamas, because that live stream will be deleted in its history. No more. I run a tanker. So yeah, so Kai, well, what I think that means, right, is you go to your like pickup site, your dump site, and you get your dirty water and you take it to the dump site. Is that how that works, man? I don't really know, but I think that's what you got going on. Tristan Tisdale, thank you very much for grabbing that green name, becoming a bro. I absolutely love it. Tristan, any relation to Ashley Tisdale? Sweet life on deck. Sweet life of Zach and Cody. What do we got? Tristan, man, thank you very much for becoming a bro. Guys, I need to see 35 welcomes to Tristan in the chat right now. This is not a drill. It was not gifted. He grabbed his own green name, and I want you guys to welcome him to the bro fam. Tristan, thank you very much for being in here, and thank you very much for grabbing that green name. Should have bought AKT at 78 cents, but chickened out. AKT. Giovanni. Let's see that. Where Honorarium? Ooh, where is Honorarium? Golly bomb, dude. Look at Honorarium. Sitting at a $240,000 market cap right now. Honorarium, dude. So close to a $250,000 market cap. Wow, man. Somebody coming in there with a $306 buy. Somebody coming in there with a $115 buy. Somebody coming in there and running those numbers up, man. This graph is just parabolic over the last couple of days. Beautiful. The number of holders remaining steady at 140. 141. Added a holder since this morning's live stream. Not bad at all, dude. AKT, 70 cents. Cashapp. Yeah, that would have been a nice gainer as well there, Giovanni. That would have been a nice gainer as well. Dude, look at that yearly graph. 10xing on the year. Giovanni, man, listen. Next time you're dead serious about getting a coin, tell me about it. I want to get in with you. All right, let's have some fun. Next time you're dead serious about getting a coin, you seem to be picking nothing but winners over here. So let me know which one you're getting into next, because AKT, phenomenal. Celestia. Dude, don't tell me Celestia's probably sitting at like $20 right now. All right, 1583. I don't have to kick myself that hard. It's been sitting at 1580. It's running into a lot of resistance in this 1583 area. monthly graph. Boom, hitting, boom, hitting, boom, hitting. Can't break it up. Hit the $15 area right here. Almost 15 back here. It's having a lot of trouble breaking through that $15 mark. Yep, sucking below water and frac tanks. Gotcha, Kai. Gotcha. I don't know how you do it on the West Virginia border, or you got to drive pretty far to do it. Well, you want to be able to avoid the weirdos in the oil field. Pants give them something to grab onto. Stay pants free and slippery. Dude, pants free and slippery. That's the way to be. Emma D knows all about it, man. No, you asked me the last time. Did I really? Good to be back. Haven't seen you in a hot minute. Well, Tristan, hey, you never know, dude. You never know. Something could have changed from the last time. Something could have changed from the last time you were in here. Maybe you found out that you were, maybe did like an ancestry DNA test or something, and you found out that you did have some relations with Miss Tisdale there. And, yeah, I guess I was curious once again. But seriously, Tristan, man, thank you very much for grabbing that green name. And welcome back, I should say. Bites his tongue. Not too hard, though. People need to learn how to drive. They do, Gary. They do. Especially when trees just, land down on the road right there. That's when you really need to learn how to drive. It's tough. We need Emma deep thoughts. We do need Emma deep thoughts, especially about pants. Come on, Honorarium. Get to at least a penny. Yeah, dude, Honorarium at a penny. That would be solid. That would be solid. Dude, Honorarium at a penny would be nice, man. Yeah. Honorarium at a penny would be good. Honorarium at $1 would be better. Honorarium at $1 would be better, but Honorarium at a penny would be pretty nice, I would say. Dude, if Honorarium hits a penny, Dark Bro's got what? He's got 5% of the supply. Dude's sitting on $5 million at that point. Let's go. Honorarium to a penny. I want to see it happen. I did tell you about Celestia. Bought Celestia too. Well, Giovanni. Yeah, dude. I know you did. And I have no idea why I drug my feet like that on Celestia at $2. Because that's what we were talking about, Caspa. I wanted to get into Celestia. I just didn't do it. And then it started ripping. Ripped up to $5 almost immediately. So we can kick myself for that one. I don't know if I missed out on that one for good or not. But dead serious. Like next one. Yeah. Let's talk the next one. And, I don't know. I don't think I'll ever be able to get Celestia for $2 again. Mo, this is why I love you so much. You always remind me that my crazy rambling entertains someone out there. Emma D, it absolutely does. But no big negative. Absolutely, Tristan. Good to see you, Clay, bro. Tashi Ellis, good to see you as well. Thank you very much for being in here. Yo, Clay, where your PJs at? In the bedroom? Mostly Frax, south of Carrollton and around Freeport, Ohio. Off to work. Toodles. Toodles to you as well, Kai. Enjoy your evening, man. Hopefully it's nice and easy. Clear it up. It's a Forte. Yeah, it is a Forte, which is the only reason that it didn't crumble and crack like every other car out there would have done. The Forte is a tank, man. It's the only thing that kept me safe from that tree. Bro, I couldn't even spend my Honorarium money. I'd be dead. Well, Dark Bro, you theoretically, I mean, like, if we're being honest with each other, Dark Bro, you theoretically couldn't even cash out the $5 million because you would literally dump the liquidity pool if you actually went out there and tried to cash the $5 million. Dude, if you ripped 5% of the entire supply in a single trade, yeah, man, it would be a huge reduction in market cap, and I can guarantee you a lot of people would get very scared. So at that point, dude, you would either need to borrow against it or shave smaller amounts, and it would be very, very tough to like liquidate all 5 million at the same time without causing a massive candle or something to happen. I bought in a Loca coin and a few others recently. Holding steady, waiting. Let's check out Loca, Tristan. We drive good here down in Florida. Tor, yep. Or Poodle. Where is Pudgy? Pudgy, are you in here right now? Guys, stay pantsless, stay slippery. I got 5% of the supply too. Gary would be sitting on another 5 million. Dude, could you listen, guys? Okay. Obviously, you can do whatever you want with your money. When Honorarium, it's a penny. Okay. So if you want to take your 5 million and try to cash it out, excellent. But I would tell you right now, even if the market cap is sitting at $1 billion or $100 million, no, it'd be $100 million. If the market cap's sitting at $100 million, and you legitimately were sitting on $5 million worth, which is not like obscene. It's not like that can't happen. Okay, it's gonna take a lot of work. But it's not like that can't happen. You would not be able to cash all of it out without dumping the price of the coin. Same way you guys really can't go out there and do that right now without dumping the price of the coin. So please do think about that. Let's see here. Joker for sure. All right, thank goodness, man. I've been to Florida before. If Honorarium gets to a penny, I'm gonna custom make Clay Bro a Kia Forte with the Honorarium symbol on it. Nice. Dark Bro, man. That sounds like something I'm interested in. Lionel says, I don't know if it's taboo to speak on Hex. I noticed it pump, but have no skin of the coin. Any input, scam or no scam. Lionel, man, it's not taboo to speak on anything in here, man. Just like, don't be ridiculous with anybody. But let's see. I don't know too much about Hex, right? I think that Hex is this coin that, like, Richard Hart's followers or whoever he is are in love with. And very, very I've had a few guys come in here who absolutely love it. Yeah, this is Hex. Who absolutely love it and swear by it. But, dude, I mean, look at this right here. $1.5 billion market cap right now. That is absolutely huge. And it's doing $7.3 million in volume. But I really do not know anything about this coin other than what we can see on the graph. Okay? Now, I don't know if it had a $20 billion market cap back here in the beginning of March and it just ripped down or what its deal is, man. But if anybody else knows anything like community-wise, or if you pay attention to their posts, if you pay attention to any of that stuff, let us know. But I don't know anything fundamental-wise about Hex. I just know they got a very crazy committed community around them as well. And it does seem to be listed on MEXC and BitGet and some other exchanges out there. So if you're interested in that, you know what? Also, let me know because I got MEXC in my emails. I don't have PioNex in my emails anymore. And I might try to get a hold of that guy. But what are your guys' favorite centralized exchanges? I don't use Coinbase, but I am using Coinbase to burn the Shiba Inu coin. Okay? I use Crypto.com. I really liked KuCoin. But now I don't think I can use KuCoin anymore without KYC, and they don't even allow U.S. customers. So that's going to be a no-go. So I've just been using Trust Wallet and Crypto.com. So let me know your guys' thoughts on your favorite exchanges. And then, one, if you need to KYC / use a VPN, or two, if it's just like if you could just use it as a centralized exchange and you don't have to KYC and all that stuff. I don't have a problem KYCing or anything, but I want to know what exchanges you guys use because there's a lot of little ones out there that send me emails all day long. Bit this, bit that. And I can't check out literally every single one of them. So let me know which ones you guys really like out there. And if I see, because they try to get me to make videos on them and stop talking about KuCoin and stuff in my videos and to mention them in the videos, which I don't have a problem with. It's just, and I've been used to doing affiliate with KuCoin, so I just continue doing it until I find an exchange that I actually want to use. Checking out a few new coins right now. OX1, SST, Mail. OX1 is new AI. SST software. Giovanni, we've looked a couple of those graphs up. Are any of those layer 1s? Or are they layer zeros? Or are they all layer 2 coins there? I would cash out enough for 50K. Gary, if you cashed out 50K on a $100 million market cap, I think you'd be fine. I think you would see a price impact. I really do think you'd see the price move 1 or 2%. But I really do think that you'd be able to cash out 50K at that point. Because a $100 million market cap, dude, it will be slightly affected by 50,000. But I think that's like a 0.5% or something of the total market cap. It's going to affect the price more than that. But I do think that you'd be able to. Now, Gary, if you did it, if Dark did it, if Outdoor Smile did it, if, I don't know, Old Rounder did it, Moji did it, Tim did it, I did it, if everybody else went out there and tried to cash out 50,000 at the same time, you would have a very, very large candle and see a lot of very large sells coming out. So, you know, it's still a long way off, man. It's still a long way off. But I honestly, I mean, if it does get ridiculously higher trading volume, I would think about shaving even that 50,000 over a several day period or over a couple week period. I don't think that you're going to be upset if you're doing, you know, 5,000 a day and you got to do it over 10 days or something. But if it's doing legitimate volume, right now you can't because it's doing like a couple $100 a day. But if it's doing a couple tens of thousands or a couple $100,000 a day in volume, yeah, you're not going to hurt the coin at all by going out there and shaving, and basically, dude, just generating yourself a nice paycheck for as long as you want. Gary's got some Hex. All right, Gary might be able to shed a little bit more light on Hex or what he thinks about it. Paid almost $1 million for a combine. It's all relative to your situation. I know I missed something, Tim. I know I missed something, but yes, it is. Hemule is the Ethereum founder's cat. Elon has Doge. Satoshi has Toshi. Solana founder has Miro. Vitalik has Hemule. Correction. Took all. The cheat's out now. Sitting at 600,000. Ready to blow up. Vitalik already interacted. Mio Mika. We'll take a look at Hemule here. We'll take a look at Hemule, man. Hey, Lionel, man. And absolutely, I can't know everything about everything. It's just impossible. It's funny, man. My nephew always says this kid in his class, yeah, so-and-so, he knows everything. That little twerp doesn't know everything. Come on now. Uncle Clay knows everything. Little twerp knows nothing. Some people think that they know everything, man. I don't know. Let's pull up Hemule. Tim, cruising down Main Street in a combat. I use crypto.com, their DeFi wallet. All right. At least somebody answered me. CoinSpot person. Now, Tristan, I don't know about CoinSpot. I'll have to pull that up. Does CoinSpot require you to KYC? Crypto.com, yes. All right. When I cash out my 50K, I'm going to buy me a 6.4 scat pack. So I sing cruising down the street in my 6.4. There you go, Gary. Hello back. Did you get a chance to look at the roadmap? Thanks, man. Net trading, I did not. We can try and pull that up here in the live. Hemio real quick. All right, what do we got here? Ethereum chain, $600,000 market cap. Yes, it's up 11% on the day today. Did it fall pretty hard? Ooh, that didn't fall that hard though, man. Didn't fall that hard. Dropping down from 29 to 1 here. Lost about 66, 70% of its value. And currently sitting around support. It's triple zeros and a 5. Currently sitting at triple zeros and almost a 9. So price action doesn't look that bad, but this is still a very new coin. One thing I do notice, volume is gone. Okay? It's gone from doing a couple $1 million a day to, what is this? 40,000, 100,000, 80,000, 60,000, 30,000, $20,000 a day in volume. So a lot less volume than it had before. But yeah, guys, I don't know. This could get a secondary bounce. And it could turn into something. So if you want to take a little risk, this could be a decent little meme coin. Apparently this is the, cat of Vitalik out there. Might be something to look at if you guys are interested in some of these lottery ticket plays. I need to go here. Let me see if I can find. All right. Okay, yes. Well, the page has to load. All right. I gotta. No, not Weeble. This is what I want. All right. So if we're looking at their roadmap right here, let's see where we are in terms of ETF approval. First ETF approval. The SEC approves the first Bitcoin ETF in the United States. Another 5% of the total supply is going to be burned, 105 million tokens, and the transaction tax is further reduced by 1%. Let's see. I don't know if they've burned that yet or not. Dude, this graph looks so stinking good, man. 23. Is that price up to date? Is that price right? Is it still $240,000 market cap? Golly, dude, that looks so nice. All right, let's see where we're at here. All right, Etherscan. I don't know. I don't know if the burn wallet, so it doesn't seem as though the burn transaction has happened yet, right? Because when that takes place, they're going to be sending another 105 million tokens to the burn wallet. Now, I don't know if they've done $1 million in volume or not, right? I don't know if they've hit $1 million in daily trading volume or not. I haven't checked any of that stuff. But I do know we do have the ETF approvals. 105 million tokens should be burned. And if you're going to Etherscan here, there is no wallet that owns 105 plus. I don't think that this is the dead wallet here. Because, I mean, that wouldn't even make sense that this is the dead wallet. And there's no 105 million token transaction. Hey. You know what? Yeah, actually, they may have. This actually, they do have those burns right here. They do have these burns. So, it seems as though yesterday they burned 105 million tokens, and I don't know what these other two burns would have been here, would have been for. Maybe they already did hit 105 million, and ETF approval, okay. ETF launch date, first Bitcoin ETF launches, another 5% of the supply. So okay, it does seem. Now I don't know if this one. Oh no, they got them lit up. They got these lit up. So you can see the green check mark here. You got ETF approval and ETF launch date. I don't know if they just originally burned 105 after launching on a decentralized exchange. Okay. That might be from that. I'm not sure. But regardless, we got these two that are lit up for sure, which are these two transactions here. So 105 million sent to the dead wallet, 105 million sent to the dead wallet right here. So, yeah, they have at least burned because of these two milestones right here. if that's what you're asking for, man. So hopefully that shows you that, yes, they have burned that amount in BTC ETF token. Do you think the Shib team will start the automatic burns this month? Damien, in my honest opinion, no. I don't. I hope they do, but in my honest opinion, I don't think they will, and I don't think that they're going to say why they didn't. It's just my opinion on it, man. But I do absolutely hope that they do. I look for usage cryptos. Only meme coins I have is Shib. If I can find cryptos that a company can use, that's what I look for. Giovanni, man. Well, just let us all know when you do, because I don't want to miss out on the next Celestia, dude. And then we can take over the driving and bang our helmets together. Do it. I drive all the buses. J-Bone's driving buses? Good. I drive a Forte. Then bang our heads out the windows and let the drool fly in the wind like a St. Bernard. Gary, it sounds like you like to have a little bit too much fun. 17 likes. Oh my gosh, dude. If there's only 17 likes in here, come on, guys. What are you doing? You gotta do me better than that. Maz, number 3. Well, it's better than number 0. Right next to your... Mine or somebody else's? Yes, thank you very much. Net trading. Thank you very much, man, for bringing it up again, because I'm not going to lie. I completely forgot about it. So I'm glad we were able to go in there and check that out. Is that what I should name my... Oh, my God, dude. What is happening? Shib's a scam. Shib developers might not be adequate, but I don't think like the Shiba Inu coin community or anything like that is a scam. I truly think there's a lot of people out there who really believe in Shiba Inu coin, and that's the reason it's so strong. When Bro Jays, Tim, man, Bro Jays coming soon to a live stream near you. Hello, bros. James Taylor, glad to have you, man. Nufo, liking that one there. What's up, y'all? Getting ready for a blizzard in northern Iowa. Oh my gosh, dude, are you guys sending that snow here to Ohio? You better not be sending that snow here to Ohio, because I don't want nothing to do with it, man. Guys in Minnesota were talking about 6 inches or something. These guys in Maine were talking about, it's just a casual foot of snow. You guys are nuts, man. I don't want you sending any of that snow my way, all right? Keep it for yourselves. I don't think Shib's a scam. I think the developer team is a scam. No one has control of Shib. Yeah. So, Giovanni, I agree with that statement a little more. I don't think that like the ecosystem, even in general, I don't think that the ecosystem is a scam where they're coming in to rug their own coins or anything. I don't think it's that way. I think it's a little deceitful, though. That's my only hang up with it, is that I think it's a little deceitful. And what do I mean by that? You know, they're selling all of this stuff to Shiba Inu coin holders and promising benefit to Shiba Inu coin, and we really haven't seen the benefit. Now, I will say, okay, the accumulation of $1 million and the current burns of about $500,000 have been phenomenal, right? But we know that they didn't really expect that, and they already stopped that. With the hard fork on Shibarium, now we would have to have 15, 20 million transactions per day to ever even get to an accumulation once again. And even if we get to 15, 20 million transactions a day, they're most likely going to hard fork, drop the fees once again, so that we never see burns. So I really think that this promise of benefit to Shib, I think that part's a little deceitful. Baby Grok coin, 100x KuCoin listing, a baby Grok coin. There's always a baby out there, isn't it? Pff, Ohio. Dude, Ohio is the best state. Ohio is literally the best state that exists. Prove me wrong, man. Prove me wrong. If you think that your state is better, let me know, because you're wrong. Ohio is the best state that exists. Keep that snow in Iowa. Yeah, Gary. I agree with you, man. Bro, I don't even remember the last time I saw snow. It's always hot here. Tristan, where are you from? I forget where. I don't know if you told me where you're from or if I missed it in the chat earlier. But, dude, snow's not bad, man. It's just when it starts to snow and then you got to clear your driveway. You got to go out there and drive in it, man. And and you got people sliding into each other. It's a mess when that stuff happens. Tired of wasting my time with it. I dumped my shit. Oh, gotcha. I was like, wait a second. Tired of wasting my time with what? Gotta go back up a little bit. Shib community is salty holders who buy the dip and are trying to dollar cost average down from 5,400. Take the loss and move on. Tim, a part of that is probably true. Man. Can Claybro explain buying Honorarium again? Nufo, absolutely. I'll explain buying Honorarium again before Bitcoin rips down through this level of support and makes a huge purple candle on the screen as it's getting ready to do right now. So, very, very quickly, pay attention if you guys are interested in buying Honorarium or literally any other token on PancakeSwap, and this also applies to basically any other DeFi exchange. So, you're going to open up your favorite exchange, whether that's PancakeSwap, Uniswap, Radium, or whatever. Whether you're looking at Binance Smart Chain, you're looking at Solana, Ethereum. Open up your swap exchange. Now, you're going to need to find the token's contract address. That's actually the best way. Don't type the name in because there might be 100 different tokens with the same name and so on. So you're going to come out to Dex Tools, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, wherever your preferred method is. And then you're going to find the contract address. That contract address is this really long one, so just click copy address right here. Now you don't have to type it in. Theoretically, you could type it in if you wanted to, but you're going to leave yourself room for mistake. Come back over to PancakeSwap. Now, on PancakeSwap, you're going to need some BNB on the Binance Smart Chain network. When you find that BNB, it's going to preset to this page right here that says, let's swap BNB for cake. Well, we don't want cake. We want Honorarium. So you're going to click here, and you're going to come up search name or paste address. We already got the contract address copied, so we're going to paste it. What do you know? Pulls up Honorarium. We're going to click it. Now, if you want to buy one BNB, you could buy one BNB worth. If you want to buy half a BNB, you can buy half a BNB worth. If you're a whale and you want to buy 10 BNB, you can buy 10 BNB worth. I don't know your guys' limits. I don't know how much money you got. Doesn't matter to me. So what you do, you go out there, you type in how much you want. It's going to show you for one BNB, you were going to get to 1,274,000, 12,744,250 Honorarium. All right, you like that. Next, set your slippage tolerance. 3% works just fine, but it does depend on how much you're going to be buying. So this is expected to have a price impact of 3.15% if I'm buying one entire BNB worth. So let's go half a BNB. As I'm going to have a price impact of 1.60% right there. So I'm going to go in. All right. I got my slippage tolerance above the price impact. So as long as nobody else buys at the exact same time that I do, price should be fine. This button's going to say, instead of connect wallet, it's going to say swap if your wallet's already connected. And then you simply connect, or you simply click swap. And it's going to swap your BNB for 6,474,402 Honorarium. Simple as that, ladies and gentlemen. Simple as that. Honorarium de puto. Ahoo! Ecosystem of morons. They could have made so much money if they would have focused on Shib. They could have made it simple, but instead they added bone. Leash. They added a lot more than bone and leash too, man. They added a lot of stuff. And Giovanni, I agree. I don't know how much they have... I don't know how much they've cashed out. I don't know how much they're holding. I don't know any of that stuff. But what I do know is people love simplicity. They really do, man. People love simplicity. For some reason, complexity scares a lot of people. So you can get so many more people involved with the simpler it is. What impacts will ETFs have on exchanges, if any? Aiden? Let me think about this. So I assume you're talking about cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Crypto.com, KuCoin, and so on. Now, I don't know any guaranteed impacts that it would have, but here are a couple possible impacts. right now, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, the GBTC Bitcoin Trust that's out there, it is in custody, or Coinbase is in custody of all of that Bitcoin. So that Bitcoin Trust is collateralized. It's very similar to an actual Bitcoin ETF, but Coinbase is in custody of all those Bitcoin. If everybody uses Coinbase, for example, Coinbase is going to have a lot of money, and it's going to grow as an exchange if all these institutions decide to use Coinbase to hold their ETFs holdings, or to be in custody of their ETFs holdings. If institutions decide to go the DeFi route and they hold it on their own, I don't think it's going to have any impact on exchanges. So various institutions can use various exchanges to be in custody of their cryptocurrency that they use to collateralize. Another thing, it could have a slightly negative impact on exchanges if for some reason people who either currently use these exchanges or people who currently are thinking about using these exchanges decide instead to buy the ETF. So let's say I want to buy Bitcoin. Now I've got a choice, okay? I can go out and I can buy Bitcoin. Coinbase, KuCoin, wherever I want to buy it. Crypto.com, I can buy Bitcoin. If I want to send it to a DeFi wallet, I can send it to a DeFi wallet. If I want to hold it on the exchange, I can hold it on the exchange. Whatever I want to do. But now they introduce an additional option. I can buy the Bitcoin ETF. The Bitcoin ETF is going to follow the price of Bitcoin. The ETF is essentially going to hold the Bitcoin. It's just somebody else is in custody of it for me. And I'm basically exposed to the same ups and downs. It's just I don't have to worry about the exchange risks or the risk of losing my DeFi wallet seed phrase. If that's the case, if people decide to buy Bitcoin on the New York Stock Exchange or the NASDAQ or whatever, or as opposed to these exchanges may lose customers and exchanges may lose future customers. So those are the only ways that I really see a Bitcoin ETF affecting exchanges, both positively and negatively. I don't know how it's going to play out, though. First domino to fall to kick off the next bull run. Interest rates coming down and then the halving. Brian, yes, if interest rates do come down, you're going to start to see a swing from, well, you might not start to see it right off the bat. Let's put it that way. But as these interest rates start to get cut again, right now they're paying 5% at the bank. When they stop paying 5% at the bank, and then they start paying 4 and 3 and 2 and 1, and then we're back down to getting absolutely nothing, where's the money going to go? It's going to go back into those riskier assets. So money's going to be pulled out of the bank. People are going to get out of their savings accounts, out of their money market accounts, and they're going to be moving back over into stocks and crypto. So, yes, you are right. That is going to kick off essentially a bull market cycle. Hopefully, interest rates have peaked, and hopefully, we do start to get a cut soon. Honorarium is way better. Well, Gary, Honorarium has been doing phenomenally over the last month and a half, man. You typically don't see coins do that, and it is a huge inspiration to see a coin go up like that. Honorarium, simple as that. Simple as that. Thanks, Clay Bro. Nufo, man, appreciate you, dude. Love it. Heck yeah, Brian. The Shib devs made their money off the backs of Shib. Like, yeah, that I agree with, Tim. That I agree with. Yeah, dude, they've sold hundreds of millions of dollars worth of stuff to the Shiba Inu coin community, and they've made theirs, man. They've made theirs. Federal Aviation Administration from here on out, Moji. I really don't see how that guy could do anything to redeem himself with the retail community. I really don't, dude. Even if AMC survives as a company, the sheer fact that man, like, can't even admit that it was retail investors. He says that it was him that saved the company. Dude, that's just disgraceful, dude. I mean, my gosh. the least you could do is give credit where credit is due. Dev team, it is common sense. To keep it simple, stupid. Yes, Giovanni, it really is that the easier you make something, the better off it's going to be. Hey, chat. Thanks, Clay, bro. Anonymous. Well, thank you for being in here. I'll never buy a coin token with a dev team. Tim, that might make a... Now, I don't know if Ethereum theoretically has a development team and so on, but I know they get a lot of developers working. Bitcoin is a different story and stuff, but yeah, I think you might be onto something there, Tim. So the big companies can follow and invest on the market trends without buying the assets, right? Well, Marvei, Mar 2.2, sort of, okay, sort of. When you buy into an ETF like that, you theoretically do not own the Bitcoin. But the way that it should work is that Bitcoin should be owned. So let's say you go out there and you buy $100 worth, and I don't know, Walmart goes out there, and I don't know if Walmart owns a portfolio and anything else or not. BlackRock, use whoever you want, right? They go out there and they buy $1 million worth. And those are the only two trades that took place today. The institution, like BlackRock or Vanguard or whoever, ARK Invest, that's running that ETF, should go out and buy $1,100,000 worth of Bitcoin to collateralize that purchase. So you aren't owning it, right? But you are exposed to it. But it does generate buys. They should be collateralizing these ETFs with actual funds in Bitcoin. I don't know who's going to be in custody of it. It's not going to be you. So I don't know who's going to be in custody of it. But yes, you can gain exposure, but it should have a direct impact on the price of Bitcoin because these trades in the investments should all be collateralized at the end of each business day. Nufo! Thank you very much. You guys know what time it is. It's time to get hard. Like a diamond. Nufo, man, thank you very much for that super chat. I thought you guys didn't even know what time it is, but apparently you do know what time it is. Adam Aaron became a bro. Join the Discord. We a fam. Yes. Adam Aaron, please join the Discord. I would love that. Look, man, if Adam Aaron did join the Discord, we can make a bro out of him. I know we could. I've honestly contemplated selling all my Shib and bone and moving on from it permanently. Tristan, man, listen, I have not done so, all right? I know a large portion of the people who watch my videos are obviously dedicated to Shiba Inu coin, so I will continue to talk about it. I do continue to own it, but yeah, if it does, like, stress you out, if it's something that you don't want to do anymore, well, I mean, why would you put yourself through it? That's the way that I look at it. If it's not for you anymore, don't hold it. If one day it becomes for you again, get back in. Bring on the grunt. Outdoor smile, was it enough? Dev team should load up on Shiba, use Shiba for everything, and burn Shiba like promised. We'd all get rich. Dude, Giovanni, I agree, man. I really do agree. Outdoor smile, I'm a grunt. Oh, man. What's up, bro? Hey, don't you have a physical Bitcoin? I do have a physical Bitcoin. It's right here, man. It's right here. This is my physical Bitcoin. Right here, guys. You can't focus on it. This is my physical Bitcoin right here, and it is worth just as much as a non-physical Bitcoin. It's a fact, man. Physical Bitcoins do exist. It's worth just as much. What up, bro? Jose, how are you? What's all the fuss about XIA? Been hearing a lot about it today regarding Elon Musk, Sam. Scamp. XIA, I don't know. We can pull it up very, very quickly, though. Tristan, I hold it $1 billion. Shib cashed out at $100 profit. Got in a Solana at $19. Dude, and your $19 Solana trade was phenomenal, man. Gary, thank you very much. Oh, it's not a king monkey. That's just a... Thank you very much for the monkey eating the banana. I think Gary found his new favorite. Now we're going to know if Emma D And we're going to know if Emma D's in here because she probably heard the monkey and she'll come back now. Hey bros, the Discord link fixed. Not in the description. It is not, but I can get you... Where did that go? I'll post it in the chat right here because I did open the Discord, so I'll get you the updated Discord link right there. If you want to join the Discord, you got that Discord right there. Any news on XRP? I actually have zero news on XRP, man. It's more that when Bone was released, I bought in. I didn't jump the leash train. Waited for all the exciting things that Shibarium promised. The burns, coin price, etc. Still waiting. Yeah, and dude, we'll probably be waiting for a while. Moji! Moji knows how to eat a banana. You take that banana right there, you peel it. You tilt the head back a little bit, you lick it, and you stick it. That's how you eat a banana, Moji, man. Thank you very much. Giovanni! You're gonna have to put the dollar signs. You're gonna have to screenshot it and put the dollar signs in there yourself, man. I tried my hardest to get my eyes to turn into dollar signs before, and it just doesn't work, man. I wish it did, but it just doesn't work. Thank you guys very much for those super chats. I like the mustache, but can never find it. Well, dude, one of these days you'll come across it. Guys, it's after 5 o'clock. Get your names in the chat right now. We'll do some shout-outs. We will be back this evening with videos at 7 p.m., videos at 8 p.m. Please watch them 100 times. Put them on loop. Listen to a playlist or whatever. Just let it go, man. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Clay Bro never bothered me anyway. Yeah, it's true. I never bothered you guys. We'll do these shout-outs, and we'll be back tonight with videos. Outdoor Smile, enjoy your evening, man. Nufo, see you later. Giovanni, enjoy it. Tristan, have a great evening, man. Mo G, have a great one. We got Tim, see you later. Mo G, Mr. Style, see you later. Outdoor Smile, Giovanni, Nufo, the Puto, Ahoo. Gary, see you later, man. Nufo, Brian, Gorilla, Biddy Boo. Biddy Boo came back for the end of the stream. See you later, Biddy Boo. Outdoor Smile, have a great one. Tim, Mo G, Markel, Biddy Boo, peace out to you. We got Anonymous Master, Anonymous Giovanni, Nufo, the Puto. Tristan, see you later. Gary, Aiden, all of you guys. You know, Timmy! Thank you very much. Tim throwing out 5 green names into the chat right now. Who got him? Who got him? Who got him? Who got him? Suckin' got him. We got Kenneth with a green name. Mission Possible with a green name. Lux Shampoo with a green name. All right. And M grabbing that green name. You guys on the way out. Do a few more shout outs, but throw those shout outs to Tim right there. I want to read your name saying thank you to Tim. Salkin, if it's you, please say thank you to Tim. Kenneth, say thank you to Tim. Mission Possible, Lux, and M, please say thank you to Tim on the way out. And everybody else, all 46 of you, please say thank you to Tim on the way out there. Tim, man, thank you very much for that. And shout out to Gorilla, shout out to Moji, Nufo, Anonymous, Tristan, yeah, Tristan, man, if you want to join the Discord, I posted it in the chat there. You can see it right here. I'll post it again, and I'll pin it. I can't even... Guys, push chat. Get this stupid heart off my screen. Send something in the chat so I can pin that to the top in case anybody wants it on the way out. Oh, why do I need you guys to chat? I'll just do it myself. Why? I can't... What? I can't even pin my own message. Well, that's about the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen before. I can't even pin my own message. Alright, makes no sense. Tristan, grab that link right there. It was ridiculous. It is, man. We got shout-outs across the board, man. Nufo, Anonymous, Tristan, Biddy Boo, Steven, see you later, Tristan, Tim, thank you again, man, for the green names. Absolutely appreciate it. Nufo, Johnny Quest, Steven, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me, mister? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.